Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are talking about how to create your Gmail account and send emails and do everything you want it with your Gmail account. So, without wasting any time, let's see how to create our Gmail account. But before that, if you're here and subscribe to my channel here, go through subscription first and bell the notification button also. Okay, so here I am with the Chrome browser because I have this one at the moment. So I am here, but I'm using my incognito window. If you didn't know about incognito window, it's a window provided by a Chrome browser which will not store your history data. So I'm here and I just say create a Gmail account like this one. Okay, so it says these three first result. Create a Gmail account, create a Gmail account, create a Gmail account. You have to click on one of them, it will redirect you to the Gmail account sign up. But if you see right here, account.google.com, click on this one. So it will directly show this page where you can create your account. So here I have to enter first name, last name, the unique username and password, and I'm good to go. So I'm entering first name like Ahmed Hussein, and now here see Ahmed Hussein should be a name of thousands of people, and they all will be using Google, and they have a user name of Gmail. So what you gonna do? Google will not allow you like Ahmed Hussein. So it says this user name is taken. So what you should do? It's in result. It's also give you this thing. The two username are available. One is Hussein 568 whatever this is, and the second one name is ah this big number. So these two unique username are available related to my actually an exact username. So what am I gonna do right here? I'm select this one because it suits better. So this one is mine, and also you have to enter 6 to 30 character. If I say 1 2 3 4 5, for example, if I delete this one, if I want to do the only, so all right, we'll delete 101. Say what here same. So the username must be between 6 to 30 characters. So I have to put like this. Okay, so your username must be from 8 to 30 characters. So finally here I am to create my password. I'm entering password like this and confirm it. Click on next. Okay, so it's require me a number to verify this account. It's a exact account or it's a dummy. So you have to enter your own country number. It will select the automatic code of your country, and the rest of number you have to enter right here. Once you're done with your number, select and next button, and will send you a verification code to your mobile, and you have to enter that code right here to verify your account number. In my case it's 10 88 10. Okay, I am here to verify it, and it is verified now, and my account is actually created now. What it called me recovery email address. In case if you didn't remember your email address, so what you got to do? Well, these are some optional things. If you didn't remember your password or your username, so in a recovery you can use this email and it will show the new password for this account and everything. These are the optional thing, and if you want to give it right here, so you can select it, the email, this and everything you can select right here. But here I'm not selecting anything, and I just click on next. Okay, please fill and complete this thing. Okay, let's say day this and air 19 this. For example, I'm not that much, but it's a dummy one, so I can put anything right here. And let's say this. Oh, say this custom. You make it a custom one. Rather not to say, you can also select this one and next. Only this recovery email is optional. Get more from number and this. Yes, I am in, or I can just skip term and conditions. And here I agree. And boom, there is my account Ahmad Hussein and this. Now if I click right here in Gmail, if you see right here in Gmail, so it will redirect me to my Gmail. Okay, this is the first email that I'm getting from Google. That hi Ahmad, welcome to Google. Your new account with the access to Google product app. This are started. I can log out right here, and we will try this account if it's working or not. So I'm here, Gmail, oh, Gmail login, Gmail login, and here I have my account. This one is my account, and the password is this, and enter the next. Okay, confirm. So that's all about today video, and we will see you in next video. Thank you for watching the video now.